We all have our dreams and our goals. We are at an age where we tend to explore new opportunities, and out of them we create aspirations which we aim to follow. I too have been in that stage. Approximately 5 years from now, I had a dream and a small idea seeded in my mind that I wanted to study in London. No matter the condition, but I wanted to. That was the time when I visited Europe, and meanwhile, I also paid a visit to London. And the moment I set my foot there, I was completely mesmerized by that place. It is a land where one of the most beautiful inventions and one of the most powerful artists have took birth, and somehow I wanted to be a part of that culture. Around a year ago, I started my procedure for UK, and that's when I got to know about UCAS. UCAS is a platform which provides the students help and guidance and professional and authentic opportunities. Students who are willing to study abroad and who are seeking some help and assistance, UCAS provides everything to them, and it makes really easy for students to achieve their dreams. UCAS follows a deadline, but with meticulous planning and advanced beginnings, students can easily approach UCAS and get proper and secured admissions. When I entered my 11th grade, I started learning French, and that too had a reason, for I love learning new languages. And when I entered my 12th, I started preparing for my IELTS. And along with my board here, I had a lot of things to do all together: my French, my IELTS, my tuitions, my schools. And it was really difficult time because I had to juggle everything all at the same time. But gradually everything started clearing up. I got my French diploma, I cleared my IELTS, and then all I was left was boards. So I was able to devote all my time towards my studies. Then finally the results came out, and I was really happy that I got 90%, and all the hard work finally paid off. I am from Ahmedabad, and Udgam School too played a very important role in my career shaping, and I would like to thank them for that. Though I have been working really hard for my ambition since past 2 years, I Overseas has played a major role to make it a success. Everyone here is really helpful and supportive, and a ton of appreciation is in order for them. I would really like to thank everyone here and express my utmost gratitude that they have been there for me in my difficult times, and they made me achieve my dreams. Thank you very much.